What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm gonna do, I will pick one product that's selling right now on eBay, and I will show you the sales through rate on Duraback. And when it comes to selling on eBay, the sales through rate is very important to see it. It basically shows you a likelihood of being successful. The one product that I will show you today is one that has a low through rate, but I will show you how you sell it and make money from it. So make sure you watch the whole video. Now, what is another thing that I'm gonna show you in this video is creating a dropshipping store in the end of the video. Normally what I do is I import products from China to my house and then sell it, and now I'm gonna create a dropshipping store. That's what I'm gonna do now in the end of the video. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. And yeah, in the end of the video I will create a store using a product that has a high sales through rate on eBay, and then we will be able to compare if it makes any difference and see what results. I'm gonna show you exactly the product that I'm gonna sell and how I'm gonna market the product. Now I have just jumped over to the product well I sell in eBay, and what is the product that I will selling on eBay? It's a drone camera. As you can see now, this seller sold 837 in the last 24 hours, which is super good. If I was to drop ship this product, I may be able to get some decent results, and I'm probably going to sell it for a little bit higher. I am going to be able to price it at whatever amount I want, because I'm not going to be competing with a lot of sellers on eBay. Now what is the next thing that I will do now? I'm going to jump over to Duraback to show you exactly the sales through rate. Let's go over to Duraback now to see the sales through rate. I have just jumped over to Duraback. I am going to search for the drone camera to see exactly the sales through rate. So let's do that right now. Right, you need to type in drone camera, and then what you need to do is select these three things: new, fixed price, and best of accepted. Check the previous video to know why I'm doing that. I have explained in my previous video where I intentionally showed you the drone camera, so you can see the reasons why I select these options. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I am just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I'm just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would ideally like to build a Shopify store around, but we need to see exactly what sort of sales I will be able to get. And you need to know this: when the sales rate is low, it doesn't mean that you won't be able to sell this product or create a dropshipping store. You need to give a show. I'm just going to dropship the product on Shopify, not going to post it. And another thing that you need to know, a new feature that eBay has now introduced on Duraback research. It shows you the total amount of sales that were generated in the given period that you selected. You need to bear this in your mind. It shows you how many sales was generated from that keyword, and you can see that. You can see the market is quite decent. Now what I'm gonna do now, what I'm gonna do is jump over to AliExpress to see if it's available for us to import or not, and if the product is available with a decent shipping time. In the next video I will show you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So as you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Duraback. I use Duraback to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Duraback. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now on eBay. You are most likely going to have success with it. Depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is hair clippers. It's gonna be easy for a lot of beginners that want to get started on eBay. As you can see, he sold over 900 What you need to do now is click on to solve to know if the product is selling really well or not, and to know the last 100 transactions, and to know if you can make money from it or not. And I'm telling you that this product is selling really well on eBay, and you can make money from it. It's easy and simple to start with. This product is a product that's definitely selling well right now on eBay. Now you need to go over to Tropic. It shows you the selling through rate for any particular product on eBay, and after that I'm going to go over to Alibaba and see if it's a product that we can even import. Let's go over to Tropic. Okay, so now what you need to do is go to Tropic and search for hair clippers. I have just typed in hair clippers. I have selected new and fixed price and best of accepted. The reason why I selected these three things is because we are going to be selling new items. We only want to find the date for new items. So now I have typed in hair clippers. As you can see here, the sales rate is 20% with a total monthly revenue value of $800,000 and total sold is almost 60k. So this product is definitely selling well, and we can start with this product to make money from home, or we make a lot of money. So it all depends on how you are going to brand your store around it, how you are going to market the product. So now you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller has made over $14,000, and here is a seller made over $8,000 from this one only. So much money you can make here. And here is a seller made over $11,000. It will be easy to start with this product and make money. Now what you need to do, go over to Alibaba to see if the product is available for us to import. Now let's go over to Alibaba.com. Now you need to type in hair clipper. As you can see here, the seller has been on Alibaba for almost 2 years, and here is a seller has been on there for almost 7 years. So I would advise you to go to this supplier like this one here, and as you can see here, it's easy to start with and make money from it. Just you need to start, you need to brand your store now and start with this product. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.